Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot in MS Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to instantly capture any window and insert it directly into your document. So, let's get started. First, open MS Word on your computer. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top. Here, click on the Screenshot option. You will see a list of the windows currently open on your computer. Now choose the window you want to take a screenshot of. And as you can see, the screenshot has been inserted into your document. If you want to edit the screenshot, you can do that too. To change its color, click on the screenshot, then click on Color Options and choose any color effect. Now the color has been changed. If you want to change the style, you can also do that. Just select any style from the options, like this one, or this one, and it's applied. And that's it. You've learned how to take a screenshot in MS Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy MS Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.